Good morning, children. So, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, children, we are studying chapter number 6, that is Greenland. And Greenland is the land of ice and snow. Okay, so we were talking about Greenland, and so we understood about the climate of Greenland in our last class. So, what was the climate? The climate of Greenland is very cold. Okay, it has very cold climate because it lies in the frigid zone and the Arctic Circle passes through the southern part of the Greenland. That's why the climate of the Greenland is very cold. Most of the time it is covered with ice and snow. About 80% of the Greenland is always covered with ice and snow, and therefore it is also known as tundra region. Children, today we'll study about vegetation and wildlife. So, because of the very cold climate, there are no forests in Greenland. Okay, because it has very cold climate, so there are no forests in Greenland. Plants do not grow here. There are only few plants that can grow here are lichens, bushes or grasses, and that to grow during the summer season only. Okay, so which plants can grow here? Bushes, grasses, lichens or mosses. Only these are the plants that can grow here, and these also grow during the summer season only. Summer and spring season are for very short period of time. So children, there are no forests and no plants can grow here because of the extreme cold climate. Okay, now when we talk about wildlife, so animals who can withstand with extreme cold climate, they can only live here. Okay, means the animals who can survive in extreme cold climate, only those animals can live here. Those animals who live here have thick skin and they have thick and furry coats over. Okay, they have thick furs over their skin, and the skin is also very thick. Animals that can be found here are polar bear, muskox, okay, then Arctic fox, wolf, seal, and there are huskies that are found in Greenland. Huskies are wolf-like dogs and they are used to pull sledges. Okay, so sledges are used in Greenland for moving from one place to another. It is easily used on ice and snow. It can move on ice and snow. So huskies are used to pull all those sledges. Okay, so because of the extreme cold climate, there are no forests in Greenland and no plants can grow here. The plants only, there are some of the plants that grow here and that to grow in summer season, and summer season is for very short period of time. The plants that grow here are bushes, grasses, lichens or mosses, and animals who can live here, who are found in Greenland, are only those animals who can withstand with extreme cold climate. They have thick furry coats and thick skin. And the animals that are found here are polar bear, muskox, Arctic circle, wolf, seal, huskies. So we have read about this.